how to freeze the rows and columns using Excel. So first you need to click this one, so dito lang sa gilid for the horizontal line, then please click view, then click freeze, then click freeze top rows, keep the row visible while scrolling and the rest of the worksheet. So click freeze. After freezing, so yung title sa taas is hindi na yan mag-move. So check natin. Okay, so check lang. And how to freeze in vertical line, this one, these rows. Okay, so unfreeze lang natin sa taas. Click unfreeze, then we need to click freeze again. Freeze first column, keep the first column visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet. So click freeze, then after the freeze, so yan, so yung title, example, yung type of respondents is stay lang siya, hindi mag-move. So para easy to check. So mag-check mo lahat and alignment of the Excel kung kaninong responses. Okay, yun lang, and I hope may makatulong sa inyo. Thank you and God bless.